everybody, Lala Draws Things here. Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time, but I'm finally got my art studio pretty much set up, and I want to talk to you today about Copic Markers. Yes, I've been wanting these for a long time. As some of you might know, they're fairly expensive, so I got these when Michael was having a sale. Now, my recommendation to you is if you're interested in getting some Copic markers, get the whole pack, a 72 kit. They come in different color variations, so I went with the Classic, which had a lot of the primary colors as well as a good range of grays. We have cool grays, warm grays. We also have some nice pastel colors in here as well, and some skin tone colors also. So the Classic 72 version of the Copics is the way to go if you're going to start out in the Copic family. So we're going to start with this canary yellow, or should I start with the slider one first? One thing, or tip anyway, I always have the big sheet of paper underneath. I like having this here because I can come on the side and test my colors out and then do it on the real thing. So that way too, if you're like doing the edges of your art, you can actually go over and not mess up your desk or whatever surface you are working on. Mess up your mom's kitchen table, all that. Nope, not happening if you have something underneath. Let go. There's the boy. Look at him. That just kind of really set him off. That's Pikachu. Almost done. Okay, so for doing the lightning and other effects, I am going to use one of my favorite, it's paint too. It's water-based paint. I don't know if it's acrylic or not, but the white Sharpie, it's kind of thick, but this thing is amazing. Just gotta shake it up though. The other thing I like to use is the Uni Posca acrylic pens. Again, this has a rounded tip too, so that's great for doing smaller stars or other effects. And then for the lightning, I'm going to be using this Stickum. Ooh, look at that. The other thing I'm going to come in with is the Molotov. I keep calling it a Molotov. Like it's a Molotov cocktail you throw in Call of Duty or something. You know what I play. Molotov. T-O-W at the end, not Tov. it looks like my art piece is done. I actually really like it. It came out great. We used plenty of Copic markers. We used some Prismacolors. We used some Molotow acrylic pens, as well as some Posca acrylic pens as well, and Sharpie, and Uniball. Look at us, leveraging tools. That's what we do. I want to say I thank you for watching. I am putting a link in the description below for the 72 Copic Classic bundle, as well as links to these acrylic pens as well. I highly recommend them, especially if you want to jazz up your artwork a little bit after you color it, give it some extra effects, some extra pop. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking through. Please like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. And if you've already done it, God bless you.